I'm in charge of urban goods transport at Brussels Mobility Authority, and always for Brussels Mobility, I'm also working with Professor Cathy Macawis on the regional structure of stakeholders. So, this is Brussels, a nice city, green, European capital, a canal, and a container terminal, and we have also an airport and a full network of highways. And it's nice, but it's not all, because this is also Brussels. A lot of congestion, pollution, deliveries problems, and a fast-growing population. We are expecting more than 1.2 million inhabitants in 2020. So this is the reason why last year the Brussels government decided to approve a strategic plan for goods traffic. This plan was elaborated with the help of consultants within a wide workshop process, gathering public authorities and private sector. We also participate to the European Project Sugar. And as you can see, all stakeholders really worked together to elaborate this plan. So, what's the vision for the urban goods in Brussels? 3 points. First, reducing and optimizing the movements of vehicles transporting goods to and inside the city. Then, reducing the use of road goods traffic to privilege rail and waterways, and environmentally friendly vehicle for the last mile. And the first one, improving the condition and efficiency of deliveries in the city. Deliveries are essential for the life of Brussels, but must be implemented in the best possible condition by limiting harmful effects as much as possible. By lack of available loading bays, badly parked transporters work in extremely difficult conditions, disturbing traffic and frustrating other road users, with detrimental consequences in terms of mobility, safety, and staff motivation. To improve the efficiency of urban deliveries, the Brussels region put in place a number of measures that will ease the work of urban transporters. Harmonizing the planning of loading bays and functioning hours at regional scale was the first measure we took after discussing with stakeholders at all levels. Another important project to improve the last mile deliveries is our participation in the European Lamilo project. No, it's not coming. Yes. Lamilo means last mile logistics. It's an Interreg 4B project gathering 15 partners from private, public, and academic sectors across 6 Northwest European countries. Brussels Mobility, in partnership with the Port of Brussels, is going to start a pilot of urban consolidation center on the site of Tier Center near the city center. If successful, the UCC trial will enlarge to a whole multi-center distribution structure for Brussels. This is the Goulet-Louise. It's a luxury shopping area. For many years, we were looking for improving deliveries. The last solution, loading bays on the side pavement in the morning and leaving the side pavement in the afternoon for the pedestrian. It failed completely. Cars were parking on the loading bays. With the help of the AVCB, which is the association gathering the municipalities, we have settled a working group with the police, the shopkeepers, the 3 municipalities involved, and the public transporters TIP. And we decide a 6-month development with new traffic signs and plantations. Loading is now on the street. What's new now? Now it's allowed, but only between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m., which means off the peak hours of the trams. It's also really better for the pedestrian. Now, I'm coming to the Streetsold demo night deliveries. Only at slide 16, I think. Why? Why? Because you already know everything about it, I think. And for Brussels Mobility, as stakeholders, it's the same idea as in the previous measures I told you. We help to put actors together and to discuss for better solutions. There are always a lot of partners. Private, public, academic, regional, municipalities. It's very important to test with them with a pilot and to evaluate before to go further. And these are for us the key factors. In the action of the strategic plan for goods traffic, we are trying to work this way. Partnership, working together, pilots, demo, and evaluation for a continuous improvement. So, different solutions are needed. There is no magic one. Night deliveries are, of course, an interesting solution, but we also need the other ones that you can see. So, ladies and gentlemen, I thank you for your attention, and I thank also all our partners for their action aiming an efficient urban distribution in Brussels and also a better mobility and quality of life.